All right. MC with Tech, back with another video. So today I am doing a review and an unboxing on a budget pair of earbuds, the Jlab Go Air Pops. So this is a budget pair of earbuds that I have heard good reviews on. So there will be a link in the description for the price of these. You can pick these up for $25. So let's get into some of the features and the unboxing of it. It's going to have good touch controls from what I hear, and it's going to have clear call mics. So that's one thing I'm looking forward to reviewing and listening to myself and see how the call quality is on these earbuds, because I've heard some good things and I've heard a little bit bad things, but this is just the unboxing review. I'm going to give you my personal perspective on it, and I'm going to tell you my honest opinion on it. MC with Tech. All right. So let's take a look at the Go Air Pops. What's their slogan? Pop it, play it. That's what the slogan is for the Go Air Pops. So with this, you get these in multiple colors. I got mine in slate. I think it's up to 8 colors. You can go to the Jlab website and it'll tell you all the colors. So with this, you're going to get the Jlab quality sound. You're going to get the dual connection plus mic, and you're going to get touch controls. So like I said, on these, you're going to get dual connect, either earbud. You're going to get the Jlab quality EQ. So that is going to be an EQ that's embedded into the earbuds through the touch controls. So it doesn't have an app, so you can actually have access to an EQ, but you're going to get an EQ that's embedded into the earbuds through the touch controls. So you're going to get the Jlab case, and on that case is the typical Jlab function where they have a type A connection coming out of the earbuds. Don't know if I quite like that. I do have other Jlab headphones. It's not a bad idea. The cord is just not long enough for me, and that's why I say I just don't know if I like that. You're going to get your ear tips, and you're going to get that Jlab signature sound. So with these earbuds, you're going to get Bluetooth 5.1. It's not the latest and greatest on the Bluetooth, but you get Bluetooth 5.1. You're going to get an IP4 rating on these, sweat and splash proof of IPX4. You're going to get the 6mm drivers, like I said. That's where you're going to get that deep bass they say that they have. You're going to get 2 hours of charge time with the case. And with 15 minutes of charge, you're going to get 1 hour of play time. Standby is 60 hours on this. So, and Jlab actually gives you a 2-year warranty on these earbuds, and that's not bad. So let's open it up. Let's unboxing. Let me get my unboxing tool out. We're going to unbox it. And we're going to see how these buds look and sound. So let's get the earbuds out the box. And like I said, I'm looking forward to hearing how these sounds, because I heard that these earbuds have some decent bass, and I am a person that loves my bass. So I got the box struggles going on, opening these up. So try to keep it clean where I can put them back in the package with a lot of my products, but sometimes it just don't always work out that way. So this is the Jlab. Let me throw the box to the side. This is the Jlab Go Air Pop. So let's take this quick look at them and see how they sound. So, and see how they are. So as you can see, look how little this earbud case is. This case is real little. This is probably the littlest pair of earbuds that I have as far as a case. So with that come in the case, so let's take a look at this one and make sure we got everything out of the packaging. So here go your ear tips. So here are your ear tips. Okay, the ear tips are not packaged in any kind of package, so they're just in their box. So in the box, you're going to get your ear tips. You're going to get the large. So in the box, you're going to get your ear tips. You're going to get your large, and you're going to get your small. And like with most companies, they actually give you the mediums that's already on the earbuds. So you're also going to get a quick start guide. So you can open this guide up and it will tell you all about your earbuds and the functionality of the earbuds. And so you're going to have your function and your controls on the earbuds and everything like that. We just wanted to look that over and tell you what's in there and what's in the box. I'm going to throw all that to the side, and I'm going to keep the guide right here for reference. But like I said, these are the Jlab Go Air Pops. And so we're going to open them up and we're going to take a look at the buds. So these are the buds right here, and this is how they look. So, so let's talk about the case. So on the case, you're going to get the Jlab logo. You're going to get the charging connection. So this is how you would charge the earbuds. So you would charge them like that, and that just slides back in. And like I said, one of the knocking points I have is that the cord's not long on it. But it's not long because it's integrated inside the case, and you want to flap that back and lock that in so you don't break this off or mess up the functionality of the charging brackets inside of the case. So you can also get you a cord and plug it in so it'll be long enough for you to charge your earbuds. So let's get them out of the case, because I just like to take them out of the case and show you how the size of them. So they're not as small as I heard that they were. So I was thinking a little smaller as far as the earbuds, but they're not as small as I thought they would be as far as the earbuds. And they're not as easy as getting them out of the case. So once you open the case, you're going to have this little tab here that's going to stop them from actually charging while they're in there. So you can, so they won't be sitting there charging and messing up the magnets. So we're going to place them back in. But now that's one thing I'm not liking. It's so easy for this it just flops. So, but it is $25, so we're not going to complain about it. Let's see how the magnet is. And so we're going to place them back in the case. And I'm going to open it, and I'm going to open it and try to see how strong the magnet is. So you don't have to worry about these popping out. The magnet is pretty strong on these. And so what we're going to do, so as you can see, there's an LED light that's on the front of the case. It's red for it needs to be charged. And I believe once you get it charged, it will show up and will flash green. So what I'm going to do is get these paired up to my Galaxy S23 Ultra, and we'll go from there. So let's get these Jlabs going. So we're going to open the case up. I am not liking that, how easy it is for these to flop open. So you're going to have to hold that lid. So that's a no-go for me as far as that already. That how easy these stay, how easy the case just closes on you. And they're slippery. It's hard to get them out. I'm not liking that feature either. So if anybody have a recommendation on how to get these out a little cleaner, hey, hit it up in the comments. So let's get these out. I am not liking that at all. So let's get these paired up. I'm going to place one in my ear and place the second one in my ear. It says ready to pair. So let's go to the Bluetooth. Go to Bluetooth settings. And let's scroll down to see if we can find those Jlabs. Here they are. Pair. So as you can see, real easy to pair. And it says Bluetooth connected. So you're going to get a notification. And it said low battery. So we're going to check the battery status on these. So it has 20%. That's not good for me that they came out of the case with just 20%. So I'm going to have to let these charge and get these charged, and I'm going to tell you how they sound and how the features and everything work on the earbuds.
Many hours later.
So now that I have got these charged and ready to go, let's check out the charging percent. So we're going to open up that case, and I have found out there's a little bit of an easier way to get these out. Just pull them towards the other bud. So you pull one towards the other, and that will give you a little bit more authorization of getting that out, because otherwise it's a little hard. So let's turn on that Bluetooth. And so the Jlabs, we have the Jlabs connected. You got the battery full at 100%. And so let's go over some of these touch controls. So on your left earbud, you're going to get your volume down for a single press. For a double tap, you're going to get your voice assistants. If you have an iOS device, that's going to be Siri's. And if you have an Android, it's going to be your Google Assistant for a double tap. Then on the left earbud, for a track back, you're going to give that a press and hold for 1 second. That's going to be on your left earbud. On the right earbud, you're going to give that volume up. You're going to give a tap once for volume up, double tap for play and pause, and then a 1 second hold for track forward. So with that being said, then you can answer phone calls with a single tap, hang up with a double tap, and then if you want to reject calls, just a 1 press hold for 1 second to reject calls. And then for that bass EQ, for that EQ, not the bass EQ, but for the EQ, you're going to get that triple settings. You're going to get the Jlab signature. You're going to get the balance, and then you're going to get the bass boost for the EQ. And to get that to work, you can use that function with either earbud, and that function is going to be a triple tap on either earbud to change that EQ setting. You're going to get a voice prompt, and then that feature will kick in. So let's throw these boys back into the case. And I wanted to show you that is something I'm going to always keep saying. I don't like how easy it is for that lid to just flap back down. So when these are fully charged, you're going to get that red LED. I know I said earlier blue because a lot of cases they flash blue. To let you know that it's fully charged, you're going to get a red solid LED that's going to let you know that it is fully charged. And when it is about to die in this low battery, you're going to get a flashy red LED. So let's get these once again out of the case. I just wanted to show you them being put them back in the case and the LEDs. Let me get this back in the case, get my phone unlocked, and then we're going to play some music, and I'm going to show you a little bit of those functionalities on the case. So like I said, just push that forward. You can get that out the case. I have one earbud that's going to go in. And then it's letting me know Bluetooth is connected. Like I said, now the earbuds themselves are a little slippery. I don't know if I quite like that, but it's manageable. So there we are. Everything is out of the case and the earbuds are in. So now that we have music playing, let me tell you, I know I'm a little loud. The sound is not bad on these Go Air Pops. The sound was pretty decent. I did a day of listening and just wanted to get a feel for the earbuds, and it was not bad for $25. I also made a phone call on the earbuds with the earbuds. Called my wife. I asked her how clear I was. She said I sound clear. There was no distortions. I heard her clearly. And so the earbuds sounded good. So let me just let you see how the function is of the touch controls on this. So I'm going to double tap to start the music. So as you can see, the music started. I'm going to tap once on the left earbud and watch it go down. So that is me left tapping the left earbud for the music to go down. Right tap for it to go up. So what we're going to do is we're going to test that Google Assistant. So you see the Google Assistant pop up, and you can ask Google for whatever you want to ask Google for, but we're not. You can see it just going through and tracking it. So let's just go back. So now we're going to go through the signatures. So now it's on balance. And now it's on bass boost. So with the EQ of the signature Jlab, you notice a difference. When it goes to balance, you notice a slight difference. And then when it goes to bass boost, you notice a difference. You get a little bit more bass in your music, which is something I like. So I'm going to leave it on bass boost because I am a bass head. So I like the factor of the bass, how it boosts the bass and the sound of the speakers through those 6mm drivers on these earbuds. It is not bad. It's not bad. The music is good. The highs are high, you know. I tell you what, as I was testing these, my wife walked into the room. started calling my name. I don't think she recognized I had the earbuds in my ear. I did not hear her. It doesn't have any ANC, but I didn't hear her, over the music, and I had the music playing. So she had to yell and get my attention for me to turn and look at her. So the highs are decent high. You're going to drown out people if you have these all the way up. But if you don't have them all the way up, you're going to hear them, and that's not going to be a problem. So you will have some functionality with that. So if I was doing some type of activity outside, running, jogging, I wouldn't have these all the way up. I'm going to tell you that because you might not hear a car coming or somebody calling you. But if you have them down to a mid-level, a nice, decent level where you can hear, you're going to hear them. But the music quality is decent for $25. So I got to tell you that it's good. So I'm going to talk about some things I do not like. So let me just cut the music off and let me tell you some things I do not like. I do not like the case. I don't like this. I never have liked this when it comes to Jlab connectors, but it does work. Like I said, you can always buy a cord, plug it into that cord, and that's going to extend this. So you don't have to worry about that. The other thing I do not like how easy this is and how it just flops down. You can accidentally touch it and it's going to fall over. So I don't like that. See how that was? And so, man, like I said, you have to be real careful. And I am going to tell you, these can be quite slippery in your hand. I don't know if I like that on these. But as far as the functionality that Jlab has created with these budget pair earbuds, the functionalities are good. They work real good. The call controls working good. Touch controls work pretty good on these. I'm not mad with how the touch controls are. I didn't feel any discomfort in my ear. I'm going to say it like this. If you want to wear these for about an hour or two in your ear, you're going to feel okay. Now, I did think the earbuds were going to be smaller because it advertised it as being a pop and go and being real small. They're actually larger than what I thought they would be. And but I can only tell you this. For $25, if you just wanted to purchase a pair of earbuds, a budget pair of earbuds that's not going to break the bank, then these are going to do the job. They're going to do the job. You can make phone calls on these. You can answer your phone calls, and your music is going to give you something you like. The quality, the music sounded good. I liked it the way when I switched those EQs through the touch controls in the earbuds. And when I got to that bass boost, you can actually feel that bass boost change. And so that's something that I did like. And so if I was going to recommend these for a pair of $25 pair of earbuds or something you want to buy for your grandkids or somebody as a gift, here you go. You're not going to go wrong with these. And this is the video. MC with Tech. Hit like and subscribe. Trying to get the channel to grow. Hit like and subscribe. There will be a link in the description. Let's go.